In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion effectively as a freelancer. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can streamline your workflow and keep your business organized. Let's dive into constructing your freelancer dashboard to make the most out of Notion. First and foremost, start by logging into your Notion account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is straightforward, and it's the gateway to setting up your digital workspace. Once you're in Notion, the next step is to create a new page. You'll see an option to do this on the sidebar, which is your go-to spot for navigation and organization within Notion. To kick things off, name this new page Freelancer Dashboard. This title is not just a label, it sets the theme and purpose of the workspace you're about to build. Now that you have your page titled, it's time to set up your workspace structure. Think of how you want your information to be laid out. A well-structured workspace is key to productivity, as it ensures all your important data is easily accessible and logically organized. Consider what elements you need at a glance, such as deadlines, client contact information, and current tasks. Then, enhance your dashboard by creating a gallery view. This view allows you to visualize your projects and tasks in a card-like format, making it easier to see more details at a glance. You can add images and illustrations, which is particularly helpful for keeping creative projects aesthetically appealing and organized. Next, we'll focus on your clients by creating a table dedicated to your client's database. This table should include essential information such as client names, contact details, project start and end dates, and any notes specific to each client. Maintaining a detailed client's database makes client management seamless and ensures you have everything you need in one place. Now create another table, this time for your project's tracker. This will help you oversee all ongoing projects, their progress, and any key dates. With a well-maintained projects tracker, you'll never lose sight of project deadlines or deliverables, which is critical for staying on track. In addition to the tracker, you'll want a dedicated space for task management. Create a database or a to-do list that helps you manage daily tasks efficiently. You can prioritize tasks, attach them to specific projects, and set deadlines, helping you stay organized and productive. Tracking your finances is crucial, so set up a database to manage your payments, invoices, and income. This can help simplify your accounting processes and keep financial records well organized. Embedding or creating a calendar for schedules and meetings is next. A calendar helps you manage your time efficiently by capturing all appointments, due dates, and important meetings in one place. For capturing thoughts and resources, develop a table for notes, ideas, and resources. This section will serve as your digital notebook, capturing everything from brainstorming ideas to essential reference materials. Finally, use icons and covers to visually organize your databases. Not only do these visuals make your workspace more personal, but they also help differentiate different sections quickly. And there you have it, a well-structured Notion workspace designed to cater to all of your freelancing needs. With this setup, you'll find managing projects, clients, and time much more efficient and organized, leaving you more time to focus on what you love, your work.